How to change recovery phone number in Gmail in case you lost the older phone number. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first head over to your Google, then tap on your profile on your top right corner. Then tap on manage your Google account. And then tap on personal info. Then tap on phone. Tap on this pencil icon. Keep on tapping continue. Enter your screen lock. Then tap on update number, and from here you can just add your new number and tap on next. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.